Hello guys, today we are going to be making spaghetti without paste or without meat. So we are going to be making it fast. This is the ingredients: spaghetti and oil that I bring out of the stew with just ordinary tomatoes, not paste. Okay, you pour it inside your water. We are just going to do everything easy to make, fast one. You just put every ingredient this way, the way I am doing it now. Just put the oil. I take this oil out of the stew I cooked before, so I just pour it inside. You just stir together. This is very fast. Even your children can make this. If you're just hungry and just don't want to do anything, this is very easy for you to make. Okay, without paste, you just pour your shubala and put it in the air fryer, and just that. If you can decide to use fish, but this, I'm not using meat. Okay, I'm not using beef. So you just take your flour and just mix it, all purpose flour. So after some minutes you pour it inside. You see, it just make it thicker and fluffier, and it's very yummy. It's very yummy. It's very yummy. It's very yummy. This is very easy to make. It's like quick food you need to eat now. So next time, don't worry about taking time to cook spaghetti. This easy way, you are going to love it. Just try it out. You will love it. If you are not subscribed in this channel, subscribe. You're going to be seeing more tips in this channel to cook.